Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain how you can participate in the free airdrop of these two ICOs. One is Havven.io, which is a decentralized payment network and a stable coin, and another is Vio token. This is the website viomi.io. So both of these are good project, and there is no harm in participating in airdrops where you will get the free tokens. So to participate in this Havven, what you have to do is go to this website airdrop.havven.io (kid is equal to m0wyw). So I will put that link in the description. All you have to do is just click on that link and then fill out the form. Also join the telegram channel of that ICO, and that's it. After filling out the form, you will have to complete the KYC later on, and that's how you can participate in this ICO. And to participate in the this another ICO airdrop, it is very simple. All you have to do is just download and install this eidoo wallet. This is an app that you have to install on your mobile phone. So this is their official website. So all you have to do is just get that app for Android phone or the Apple phone, iOS phone, and then that's it. You can just you will become eligible for that airdrop, and automatically you will be transferred some tokens in future. So that's it. I wanted to tell you, just go ahead and register for these airdrops. Thanks for watching this video.